Welcome to Greenlight Parking Permit module. In this video we will demonstrate processing of parking permit applications by the council staff from within the parking permit system. Each staff member will be given a username and password to access the system. Let's log into the system with user named E-VIS. Let's select Application in Progress to process a new parking permit application. On the Application in Progress page, list the applications by application number, processing status, parking permit type, and address for which the permit is applied. Let's select a new application for processing. This will open the parking permit application in a new window. The main page is divided into several sections. Each section shows particular information about the parking permit application. The application shows the basic information, the application number, date lodged, permit type, and vehicle details. The applicant section shows the personal details about the applicant and the property owner. The property owner information is retrieved from the council's rate system. The property section shows the property's address. The property can be shown on Google Maps or other GIS systems like MapInfo Exponair. If council staff need more information from the applicant, the system can generate the Request for More Information letter based on the content specified in the Additional Info section. When rejecting an application, the reason for rejection can be specified in the Reject Reason section. The Parking Permit section lists the parking permit issued for this application. Related Parking Permit section lists the parking permit issued to the same property address. This will let the staff know how many permits have been issued to the current address. Staff can create file notes for this application in the File Notes section. Related Documents section lists all the documents uploaded by the applicant or generated by the system. The last section, Audit Trail, shows all the status change history, including when the status was changed and who changed it. Let's process this selected application now if all the details and documentation provided by the applicant is correct and sufficient to issue a permit. The application will proceed to complete state. For the purpose of this demo, we assume that the applicant is required to supply more information, for example, a new copy of the proof of vehicle ownership. In order to notify the applicant, we will add a new item in the Additional Information section and change the status to Request More Info. Before the status gets changed, system will show the More Info letter for preview. In the letter we can see there is a link to the external site which the applicant can use to supply requested documents. Since the letter content is fine, we will click Continue to proceed. The checklist screen displays a checklist which lists all the steps that need to be carried out before making the transition from status new to more information. The system also allows you to send documents to the applicant. The system will change the status to More Info and will automatically generate a More Information letter and send it to the applicant via email. Assuming we received the requested document from the applicant, we can now proceed the application to status Complete and issue a parking permit. Before we do that, we need to add correct parking permit in the Parking Permit section. Then change the status to Complete. Now the completed application will then be queued to print the actual parking permit.